All right, good morning. What's up, family? Check this out. The plumbing has gone in. You can see it right there. Toilet. They got the vanity hookup right there. Got the shower drain. And you can see they replaced that pipe all the way through. So we're going over here to this other room. And you can see they replaced it all right there. And there is where the new pipe meets the old pipe for the waste. And they came right underneath that wall. So the work here is moving right along and we're making progress. And that is the update for today. I did frame this wall up, and you can see they have the hookups for the cold and the hot. And what we're thinking is we're thinking concrete on the walls, right? Concrete, and I want it to look like wood, like it was poured against wood. So I got two options. Haven't decided what we're going to do. I can form it up with 1x6. Form this up 1x6, and about 3/4 to an inch away from the wall with some chicken wire or some lath, and then actually pour it in place, except for maybe the top. Have to stamp that one, or I could stamp the whole thing, put it up like plaster and stamp it. Haven't decided. We'll see what happens. I'm waiting on a couple of calls and to get some advice on how to best go about it. But that's the update here. What's up, family? So I don't know if any of you have experienced losing your pencil. When I was out in the field, we used to have these pencil clips on our hard hats, right? And this is a hard hat that I wore for quite some time. And I can put a pencil, I can put two pencils, depending on, sometimes if I was doing layout, I put red and then my normal pencil there. But the chances of me wearing a hard hat out here in my garage, in my shop, probably not going to happen unless I'm working underneath something seriously heavy or something like that. But I'm going to show you how to make one, and it's useful. One of the things, though, I have to figure out what I want to put the pencil on. And I think come up with an idea. Now, I might not be wearing a hard hat in the shop, but every once in a while, I'll be using my earphones to listen to music. And, well, heck, that's the perfect place right there, right? So what I'm going to do, and I'll show you in a second here, is I'm going to remove this. And then once I remove this, I'm going to show you how to bend it and make it fit your pencil. All right, so I'm going to take this apart. So I've taken it apart. Here it is. Right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to force it open. Just about there. And that's almost good. Man, that's almost perfect. Wow, not bad. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a little bend, just to kind of lock it in. And there it is. Right? Perfect. Man. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that right there. Now I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dimple. They make a dimple on that tape holder, right? They make a dimple so that it sits in a recess in the measuring tape, so you can get a flat screw in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this off. I'll come back and I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach it to the earphones. Be right back. All right. So ground that out. Now it's nice and flat. And what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to use Velcro. And hopefully, oh man, hopefully it's not too cold. It's 28 degrees outside right now. So there it is. Pencil holder. All right. All right, there's one little thing I need to do is this piece here. I need to give it a soft bend, because as I'm putting in the pencil here, it's catching, and I'm not liking that. All right, so what I'm going to do is this piece here, you see how this one has a soft curve to the outside? I'm going to make this one with a soft curve to the inside. So that way when I put the pencil in, it doesn't catch, right? Because right now, when it's on here, the Velcro kicks it away from here enough that the first thing it does is hit right here. So I'm going to do, there it is. There's your pencil holder. Now if you want to attach it to your hard hat, use double stick tape and you're good to go. All right, short video today. Peace.